Africa, welcome back to the channel. As you know, we always get to the great update and the good news of what you want to see under the construction section. So right over here, we are right here at the Nungua Interchange to update you on the progress of the road. They are back to work. As you can see, they are making some amendments and changes to make sure that the east traffic on the Nungua downwards lanes. So after that, they can just get to the interchange itself. So let's go there and see how they are constructing the road over here.
All right. Hello, Ghana for more Kwai. I'm on the for Ramuni. As I say, all the time you tune in to be listening out on YouTube to watch our videos, and what you always do is you always turn on notification and also share for others. So please, say and then they can share videos and I'm sure subscribe more, share more like it. Now there because we are into me and bow in Chemo Harry. The year who and the yeka we and your photocopy we and your printout where is the original source of the information. So right away, PM Nungua Interchange. Yes, this interchange is going to be a dual interchange. We're talking about the 100 million dollars interchange. Can see your president or initiative. So I don't know negotiate ocean Nasiciano. Work really stopped for like 2 years now. Ejuma is a breaky cry. There weren't any construction which is ongoing on right over here on this project. It was a standstill. Down Okwa traffic cheaper non-ording. Traffic Okwa is non-ording. Looking at the construction na Koso Hana, not say Nakabwa na easy off a lot of traffics are a crime no way a court tema a sanso a call a sprinters this same road it's also a call be international a mega road and naka can way ya wana traffic ana hano ano abrase na we na say president na dey say obey buana etuma na the contract no come China for now so far yeah KD we can confirm say the Chinese contractors they've packed out from the site where any obiasa worker miana make a belly snaps miana mako share draw video where it's my own video that I just shot. Yes, it's a video that is coming from us. Now to say contractors they are out of sight right over here. They're not even where to be found. Either they are in Ghana or not, and we are not even hearing anything from the road minister and also the urban roads. For now, we don't know what is really happening on this trade. But I wanted to update you right over here, so we go there to let you know how and the construction weight has been made so far is very light, and it's going to be a depth trap. It's a depth trap. So we name na so for one that's the conformity. To shower never be why budget cause a lot of harm to the to the people who are surrounded by this place, who are surrounded Hase into Nungua sprinters quite now see a say standstill now. You can see other bloggers were blogging that they've returned back, they are back to work. No, they aren't back to work. It's a confirmation from the assembly. I spoke to the director and the engineer for that district assembly over there. And Nungua, Tema, district assembly now. I'm working and then I'm Kasaya. On party said the official contractors are they awarding a mom. And I say they awarded this contract to they are not in, they are not back for 2 years now. They've left this contract just dormant. They've left this contract standing still, and they are not tackling this contract. So they plan and they found out that the traffic now the traffic and as you can see, we are approaching the election hour, and every presidential aspirant we are person or MPB in person they want to do something to ease traffic, and that is what has caused them to immediately put these things together and take it upon themselves to fix some of the places, and I said some internal places I'm bet to me afana easy traffic into share. I'm on level of so crano. In fact, I'm on level of so crano and chair and Chentosha cars ebania they are okay a little bit. First, and you could see say they are all lined up. Traffic actually gone. Just say you can spend like 4 to 3 hours from those who are staying and using the stretch. They were saying that sometimes for you to get to Accra, you can spend like 2.5 hours, and that is abysmal. That is abysmal to me. I can't stay along this around this area and spend like 2 hours just to be in a traffic and just get to Accra for work, and after I'm going to be in the same and extra traffic to also return back home. It wouldn't help. So Assembly now Imagine said they want to ease traffic, so they are they're preparing the grounds and they've leveled the ground. They've leveled, and there's a little bit of asphalt on the on the streets, on the grounds, just to ease traffic. But this is not the return of the contractors, so I'm emphasizing on that so that you wouldn't say it somewhere, or you didn't put my words wrong. No, and this is what they need to do. The assembly has tried to level and also asphalt some of the the major places are on to me easy traffic now, and overpassing the entire cry, but on the down stretch those say I want level some of the gravels can so, and the other side they are putting on an asphalt. So that is what they are doing for now, and we'll say that thank you for the assembly. They've thought it wise say I want to my boy, but they should have done it earlier than now. I don't know if it's a political agenda or if it's for vote or not, I don't know, but you can all testify to the fact that they are trying their best to ease traffic, and at the same time it's going to help the people using the stretch right away to also ease traffic. So we're going to have a tour. We're going to have a walking tour. I want you to have a walking tour on the close mark on this stretch right over here. You can see that the workers are on site, the contractors are on site. This is the assembly contractors, not the main project contractors. So but there are other bloggers that they've blogged about that yes, contractors are on site and other stuff. This is not true. From my own investigation that I went there, I spoke to some of the directors and they told me that this is not the contractors who are giving the award, or who are awarded by this contract. No, it was just some 1 or 2 maintenance or 1 or 2 things that they want to put in place just to ease traffic by putting on this asphalt a little bit to make the surface a little bit smoother than before, and also make movement easier as you're approaching the election year and also Christmas festivity right over here. So this is what I got to announce to the public and also the world. If you're in the States, you're watching this and you can help, please pass through me. I'm going to do that for you. I'm just laughing. I'm not a contractor, but I can do a lot of things by also helping you to get a building that you are doing it, or you are constructing your building here in Ghana. Perfect. So right over here, kindly call me. My number is 0591462646, and let's get to the best update on your building. If you are building in Ghana, if you have any projects going on in Ghana, if you're having any project going on in Ghana, and you want us to go and have a visit, if you are building and you don't trust your contractors or your foreman and other stuff, please sumayeng. It's a new movement that we are embarking on. If you send us now, we are going to be there on your project and inspect everything. If you want to give money to someone that you don't trust and you think that the person is going to spend your money by buying inferior materials, just call me. I'll be right there at the project to inspect, and also the materials that have been agreed by both both parties or both persons will have that same material to be put in place and to be used for your project right over here. If you're a tour person, or you're coming to Ghana for tour and you want a tour guide, we are right here. Yes, you call me. I'm right here to tour with you and also give you some nice pictures and videos. If you want some cinematography, pictures for your tour, if you are coming to Ghana, please call my number on your screen, 0591462646, and be right there to tour with you all over Ghana, wherever you want to go. We're going to book for you. If you want accommodation, we're going to help you to book every single thing that you want. If you want the best place to eat to, we have best restaurants for you to also get your nice local continental dishes right over here. And yes, if you want to buy a car, please watch my car videos. Yes, the luxury cars and the other used cars in Ghana. If you want to buy a car, please contact me. I'll get you a nice, affordable, cheap car to buy in Ghana. If you want the best place to buy all your foods, just go to Anointing shop. Mommy's Enterprise is sponsoring us. Yes, at Amazon Anointing One. Yes, check it out at 2 right over here. Yes, with that, thank you for all having time with us and also sponsoring our show right over here. Cook's Collection. If you want to build, if you want to have a cake, if you are having a birthday, you want to have a nice cake, yes, a wedding cake and a nice cake for yourself, please contact Cook's Collection on my number, and you are going to get a nice birthday and also a surprise cake for your loved one. So let's have a walking tour right over here as we visit the Nungua Interchange. As some people are writing that the Nungua Interchange concession is back. It's not back. It's just fixing one or two right over here. So if you see the title, that will please run away from me, because it's not the right title for you. The assembly are making a little bit of changes to just put some level grounds asphalt to ease traffic. That is what I have on the table right over here. Let's check out some tour on the Nungua stretch right over here as we go down to the video.
While we continue to enjoy those wonderful soothing tunes from Ghana Green Family, I'd like to also pay our respects to a few more officers. At this time, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Rhodes Minister, who is also member of Parliament, and Bantam Constituency, Honorable Francis.